Do you know if they're gonna be in class today? No, I know, cause they're usually here by now, so I don't know what's going on. Hey. Oh my gosh, you look amazing. I didn't think you were gonna make it in today. I was so worried. Yeah. Oh my gosh, so your hair looks amazing, first of all. So I just have to know who did it. You did it yourself? Oh my gosh. You are so talented. It looks amazing. Yeah. Like, can I touch it? Yeah, it's just like the perfect curls. It's like these amazing ringlets. Oh, be honest, be honest. Did you really do it? I knew you were tricking me. This looked like their work. This looked like their work. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, but you're gonna have it down packed in no time, so it doesn't even really matter. You know, you might as well say that this is your work. But you know why I really asked? Because one thing that I noticed about when they do hair is it kind of leaves like this little cast on the hair that it almost sometimes looks a little crunchy. I'm not trying to, be offensive or anything, because trust me, I've gotten my hair done by them a few times. I plan on going back. But I noticed that when it has like this little crunchiness to it, like, you hear that? Like that crunchiness, I just kind of do a little trick just to make it look a little better. I could try it out for you if you want, but I don't want to weird you out or anything. Are you open to it? Okay, so you see how this piece is just like kind of really crunchy and almost like loud. I'm just gonna and then smooth it. Just smooth it out. And you see how it's already sounding like much better, like you almost can barely hear it because it's so soft. It's like something in the saliva that just like really smooths down or breaks down that extra product. Maybe I'm eating it, I don't know, but it's beautiful. I can just get the ends a little bit. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So let me just get another piece, because you see it's still really bouncy, voluminous. That's like an extra piece that she clearly didn't cut off. But yeah, it's just like cute, bouncy ringlet. I could just get another piece and just hear that. Really crunchy. You don't want to go overboard with it, but you definitely want to give it enough, enough action. Because if you try to skip over to the next one, then if it's not enough, like, saliva, I don't want to yell it out loud. I know a lot feel like if you don't get enough on there, then it just kind of, I don't know, it almost ends up harder than it started. You see? So much smoother. Let's just try this piece over here. Oh yeah. Makeup is starting to wear off. It's a little later in the day, but don't mind it. So, how long did it take for her to finish? Oh, so she had another client right after you and kind of had to rush a little bit towards the end? Typical. I can see why there's a few, like, harder pieces then. That makes total sense. Because when I went, she had like 3 other clients booked for the day. And you know how you usually have to sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes, an hour, really to get the hair dry and set, because I'd gotten a silk press that time and, I had to sit under there with the wrap. And she only let me sit under there for like 20 minutes before I had to hurry up and basically get out. Yeah, I tell my mom not to tip her because why would you get a tip if you didn't really care? It's like a lot of people really don't put love or passion into their work, especially a lot of hairstylists, so but I think that was about maybe a month ago. Yeah, because sometimes I definitely still ask my mom to pay for my hair, and who would I be to deny a free hairstyle, I'm just get a little higher up. What are you talking about? You didn't see her hair in my mouth. Why would I put somebody's hair in my mouth? Did you go to sleep last night, or are you like pulling an all-nighter or something? That sounds about right, because who would even do something like that? Are you serious? Yeah, you might need to go to sleep when you get home from school today. It's ridiculous. see maybe like 2 or 3 pieces, and then you should be good. You know, you just let it air dry and you are good to go. Oh my gosh, she put coconut oil in her hair, didn't she? Yeah, it's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, maybe if she had put like a little extra in, then we wouldn't have had to do this, but it's fine, I don't mind it at all. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so like shiny and just gorgeous. Oh, you can see like how many flyaways you have with this one. And it looks smooth and, you know, a few of these honestly might be split ends. I don't think she got them all, but we just take it. You see, looks so much better, right? Your hair is just soft and luscious and bouncy now. Oh my gosh. Like, do you see this? Boing, boing, boing. Oh, that is perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we should probably pay attention now. Hey guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you could not tell, it was inspired by, well, probably a lot of different creators do it, but my favorite one to watch is Calamity ASMR. She is in the UK. Love her accent, love her videos. She's so funny, she's so interesting. But yes, this was my first hair eating video of many. Give me reviews, give me feedback. I love to hear it. Ciao.